Morning, everyone. Welcome to the Disco to the World. Today we are in Blackpool and we are here to attend
The Grundy Art Gallery. Grundy Art Gallery.
Grundy Art Gallery. Hey, let's find out. When you come to it's a rainy it's a rainy day, and whenever you come to Blackpool, it's always rainy and windy most of the time. So make sure your gloves are on, your hats are on.
Full of life.
Yes, with full of life. There's the Primark on the right side, and this is Blackpool Tower. Attention, that's one of the attractions. You have to attend this one. Buy a ticket. You go attend it. No, that's not. That's after we will go from here.
That's the
Yeah, that's the Blackpool Tower entrance.
where it's closed now.
I will have to. Can you get my gloves? I realize it's so. On March, right? Amusement. This area is full of life. So there is the sea, Blackpool Sea.
Yes.
I'll take this. No problem.
Yeah, I think better. Yeah.
Turn left onto Bank Hay Street.
Yeah.
Oh, simple. It's straightforward. And then right.
That's the souvenir shop there.
That's the 78 thing.
Silly ball, you know that. So, right. Now, tell you what, yeah, you're going to have a better life, believe it. They've got to believe in that. What does that good? Whether you're not believing about anything or not, yeah? I'd rather believe that because they believe that with yeah, that's what you're saying. That's fine. We're thinking for.
That's a stop from here. From this stop, you could take the bus to Preston.
Then this is from the convict.
Yeah. Stuff like they more. 2000s. Let's go. Then we have to go. See? Come on. That's the tramway. Yeah. Show me. So we are taking it to the Blackpool streets. Blackpool, the biggest party. All those clubs, pubs. So this is where they do all their biggest parties.
Then right. Just the filmmakers, no? Oh, there's plenty of party here also.
Thank you. This is Central Public Library on my left side. So there are all the shop. Yeah.
That's it, like Grundy Art Gallery.
That's the gallery.
Yeah.
This is where we need to go.
Yeah.
We're going to take a picture of this gallery.
That's it.
So we are here to attend this gallery today. So this is the gallery that we are here to attend. Sorry, let me share. This is the gallery that today we are here to attend. Let's see.